Manhattan is the most densely populated borough of New York City, its economic and administrative center, and its historical birthplace. Locally it is often referred to simply as the city. The borough is coextensive with New York County, founded on November 1, 1683, as one of the original counties of the U.S. state of New York. The borough consists mostly of Manhattan Island, bounded by the Hudson, East, and Harlem rivers, several small adjacent islands, and Marble Hill, a small neighborhood now on the U.S. mainland, physically connected to the Bronx and separated from the rest of Manhattan by the Harlem River. Manhattan is often described as the cultural, financial, media, and entertainment capital of the world, and the borough hosts the United Nations headquarters. Anchored by Wall Street and the financial district of Lower Manhattan, New York City has been called both the most economically powerful city and the leading financial center of the world. Manhattan is home to the world's two largest stock exchange, by total market capitalization, the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq. Many multinational media conglomerates are based in Manhattan, and the borough has been the setting for numerous books, films, and television shows. New York County is the United States' second smallest county by land area, larger only than Kalawao County, Hawaii, and is also the most densely populated U.S. county. It is also one of the most densely populated areas in the world, with a census estimated 2016 population of 1,643,734 living in a land area of 22.83 square miles or 71,999 residents per square mile, higher than the density of any individual U.S. On business days, the influx of commuters increases this number to over 3.9 million, or more than 170,000 people per square mile.